Grandma, what is that above my head?
Those are all your childhood memories, dear, and it looks like you've already made quite a lot of them.
Well, that's good, because I want to remember all the fun things I did with you.
Oh, Annalise, you are so sweet. There is a fire in the castle. We need to get you both out now.
Grandma, I'm scared. I don't want to lose you like I lost my parents.
Don't worry, dear. We'll be all right. My queen, watch out! The ceiling is collapsing. No! You left your clothes on the floor.
Sorry,
They pay me to foster you, not to be your maid. Didn't anyone ever teach you to clean up after yourself?
Well, you know, even if someone did, I really wouldn't have remembered because I lost all my childhood memories.
Yeah, enough with your sob story. Just clean up.
Excuse me, sir, do you know why there's a bunch of flowers everywhere?
Oh, yeah, those are for the princess. Everyone leaves those for her. Today marks the 5th year of her passing. It's awful what happened to her. Hey, are you okay?
I think I just had a memory of me being a princess. Sorry, I know that sounds crazy.
A princess? Wait, did something happen to your memories?
Yeah, actually, when I was younger, some sort of accident happened to me. I don't remember what, but the doctor told me that I have amnesia.
Some people still think the princess is still alive.
They do?
Yeah, and actually, I'm one of those people. You know, I could take you to the queen if you really think you're the princess.
No, that's okay. I really should be going.
At least take my number. If any more of your memories come back, call me.
I can't believe that guy thought that I was a princess.
My queen, watch out! The ceiling is collapsing! No!
Grandma? She left me. My head.
Hey, I got your voicemail. You got another memory?
I think that I am the princess, and I need your help to take me back to the queen.
The thing is, they won't just let anyone into the castle. We have to convince them that you're royalty.
But how would I do that?
I have an idea. Come on, we're going shopping.
Are you sure this outfit isn't too much?
No, I think it's perfect. It shows the queen that you know how to dress like a princess.
If you say so.
Wait here. The queen will see you in just a moment. Hey, it's gonna be alright. She'll remember you.
Grandma, I thought I never—
See me again. I've heard it all before. Tell me something that only my Annalise would know.
Well, I can't exactly do that because a lot of my memories got lost, but I remember you.
Stop. My heart can't take this anymore. She's just another girl pretending to be my granddaughter. Take her away.
No, please. I came all this way to see you. I'm sure I can remember something.
Let's go.
A carousel music box. It was blue. You gave it to me.
Wait. Let her go. I need to get something to show her.
This was one of the few things that survived the fire.
I had it restored. I bought it as a gift for my granddaughter. You couldn't have known about that unless...
It's me, Grandma.
Oh, Annalise, it is you. I recognize your eyes. I'm so sorry. I begged the gods to go look for you.
It's okay.
How are you alive? What happened?
I can barely remember. Sweetheart, can you remember anything about what happened to you? What your name is? What your parents' names are? I don't remember anything. We have a code red.
So you survived the fire and woke up in a hospital with amnesia. I am so sorry, but what's important is we're together now.
Grandma, I actually wouldn't have been able to find you if it wasn't for him.
Oh, really? What is your name? My name is Eric, Your Majesty. I can't thank you enough, Eric. Why aren't you a handsome young man? Thanks. It is my honor to restore my granddaughter's title of Princess Annalise. Long live the princess.
Please hold my baby. I'll be right back. Ma'am, It's been like an hour. Where is your mom? It's freezing out here. I don't think your mom's coming back. Hey, Mom.
Honey, whose baby is that?
Don't freak out, but some lady told me to hold her baby and she never came back.
How awful. We better call CPS or something.
No, I want to keep her.
Honey, are you sure you're ready to take care of a baby?
Yeah, you know what? I think I am.
It's not gonna be easy.
I know, Mom. I'm gonna take good care of her.
Look, Mom, I'm winning!
Oh, honey, how fun! Hang on, I think there's someone at the door. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, yes, actually, I believe you're the one I let hold my child, and I'd like her back.
Please, hold my baby. Ma'am, I'm sorry, do you even hear yourself? It's been 7 years. I waited hours for you to come back, and when you didn't, I decided to raise that baby by myself. As far as I'm concerned, she's my kid now.
No, that is what you call kidnapping.
That is not.
It absolutely is. I am calling the police.
What's wrong, Mom?
Honey, are you happy here with me?
Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be?
Well, there's no easy way to say this, but I'm not actually your real mom.
What are you talking about?
So that's how I became your mom. But now your biological mom wants you back.
I don't care if you're not my real mom. I want to stay with you.
Police, open the door, please.
Oh no.
Please don't let them take me.
Honey?
Shh, she's sleeping. Sorry,
But what did the officer tell you?
that I'm supposed to give her back to her biological mom tomorrow.
What? That can't be right.
I promised her that she could stay with me.
Oh, don't you worry. We'll figure this out.
Police.
I'll get it.
Miss Stevens?
Yes?
I'm here because we have reason to believe someone came to your house pretending to be an officer today. Him and his wife have been taken into custody.
Wait, so this means that I can keep her?
Your daughter? Yes, absolutely. We actually believe they were trying to kidnap her.
Honey, wake up. You don't have to worry anymore. You can stay with me.
Really?
Yeah, come here. Babe, I got...
Don't you dare use any more of those words, understand? 5 million words? That's ridiculous. You won't be using any of those. What did I tell you about talking?
I'm breaking up with you.
Oh, really? Where are you gonna go? You don't have any money. 9 million words this year, huh? No one needs that many. Hey, I need you to go to the store for me. I don't like that pink shirt you bought yesterday. I want you to return it. You're allowed to use 3 words maximum when you go out. Don't be playing games with me this time. I'll be checking your words when you get back.
Hi, what would you like to return? Just that? Okay, hold on 1 second. That'll be $6.99 back on the card.
Please help me.
Oh, did you need my help finding something in the store, or...
Hey, can we hurry up the line? I'm on my lunch break. I don't got all day.
Do you need medical attention?
No.
Hey, it's okay. Can you wait over there for me, hun, and I'll get someone to help you?
You're allowed to use 3 words maximum when you go out. Don't be playing games with me this time. I'll be checking your words when you get back.
I'm so sorry, the line is really busy right now, but my manager will be over here to help you soon.
There you are. You took forever. Did you return the shirt? Good, let's get out of here. Damn, why do I feel like I'm forgetting to do something? Wait a minute. You were supposed to make dinner tonight. Go on. What? Is dinner ready? Hey, 8,996? You used an extra word, and you're gonna tell me why. Go on, talk. Explain yourself.
It was an accident. I was just telling the cashier thanks.
Uh-huh. You sure about that?
Yes, I swear. You should really have your dinner. It's getting cold.
That's enough talking out of you. Go to sleep. Bed, now. How did you make that chicken?
Why?
Because after I ate it, my head is filling.
My phone is dead and his is locked away. I have to get the charger. Please hurry up. Yes.
911, what's your emergency?
I need help.
Thank you for the information, ma'am. Officers will arrive shortly.
You thought you could get away with putting something in my food? Your words. Why did you use up so many? Actually, don't speak. I'll find out. You can't outsmart me. So step away from the girl. Let's see your hands.
Looks like I just did.
No.
Get adopted by a fireman or a billionaire? I think we should go with fireman because he's gonna keep us safe.
Yeah, I think so too.
Nope, billionaire.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
So, what are your names?
I'm Margot.
I'm Edith.
And this is Agnes.
Nice to meet you. Well, this is my home. I'll be right back.
Okay. This place is kind of creepy.
It is.
There's nothing to watch. Did you hear that?
I did. What was that?
Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I think it's coming from over there. There was definitely someone down there. I told you, Agnes, we should have picked the firemen.
Excuse me. I need to speak with you.
Me?
Yes, you. I have a secret that you need to know.
So, what's your secret?
I have a secret lab, and I know you girls saw it.
No, we didn't.
Don't lie to me. I have cameras everywhere. I saw you.
Creepy much? Okay, maybe we did.
Well, I can't have you telling anyone about the lab.
Uh-huh. Sounds like I should be calling CPS.
No, I need you girls to help me with my plan.
And what plan is that exactly?
Go get your sisters and follow me.
Whoa, what is that?
Is that a laser?
No,
Who are you?
I'm the doctor you saw in the lab.
Well, what is this thing?
My greatest achievement, a shrink ray.
And we need human subjects to test it on.
The doctor and I created this together. and
Wait
we-
a minute, so you're telling us that the only reason you adopted us was so you could use us as your lab rats?
Not cool, dude.
Yeah, I think we'll pass on that.
Actually, we weren't asking.
Run!
Wait.
We don't want to try out your machine.
Yeah!
It's okay, girls. You don't have to try it if you don't want to.
We don't?
No.
But sir, we only adopted them because—
That's enough, doctor. We're not forcing them to do anything.
Thanks for taking us to get food, sir.
Girls, please, you don't have to call me sir.
Can we call you Dad?
Agnes,
I was just asking.
You can call me whatever you like.
I feel like Darren likes us.
I like him too.
But that doctor, she creeps me out.
Yeah, same.
Good night, girls.
Good night, Dad.
Dad?
Hello. I need you to come with me. It's time for you to try out the machine.
Shh.
Would you stop knocking on the glass? You're not getting out of there. Now watch this. I'm going to demonstrate the shrink ray. Isn't that amazing? Now, to test it on you.
Margot.
Let her go!
No, guys, run!
Come here, girls. Stop.
Doctor, what is going on?
Dad, help us!
Oh, be quiet. He's not even your real dad.
Hey, that's enough. Let's see how you like it. Close your eyes, girls.
No!
What do you know? It works.
Darren, you can't do this!
Thank you, Dad, for saving us.
Of course. And I destroyed the machine.
What? But I thought you said it was your greatest achievement.
Actually, no, girls. My greatest achievement was adopting you.